Every building tells a story, but too often, that story is often filled with problems, from power outages, finance, irresponsible management, leading to wasted projects. From short-let apartments to commercial facilities, property owners are losing peace of mind because managing property shouldn't be this hard. Our facility management service isn't just about fixing problems, but by preventing them, optimizing performance and maximizing value for both investors and property owners. To security, landscaping, cleaning and energy efficiency, every detail is tracked, every action is accountable and every cost is justified. Because in RareAcre, we manage your property just like it's our own. Whether it's a short-let apartment, office complex, residential estate or a mixed-use facility, RareAcre Investment provides a full-scale management tailored according to your property needs so that you can focus on returns, not repairs.